room. My brother calls this the family room.
Yes, he does.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Isn't that so nice?
The faces you see on these walls are our family.
Where's my face?
And I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again.
I've worked here for 3 years.
So,
what are the prerequisites? Speaking of family, yo, Tej, you're on the break room monitor with Mia. We were just discussing.
All right. What's up, Mia?
I'll see myself out.
Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are the rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
Whatever you say, Optimus
Right.
Prime.
I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia. Text me.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, I got a cool photo of myself here.
Please.
I think it would look good on the fridge, right? Next time. Doors gonna open up automatically. When they do, please make your way over to the war room. Say hi to my pal Jamie. Now it's Jamie's first day without Tej, so we
What are you doing in here?
What up, Jamie?
What up, Pat? Or whatever your name is. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the War Room. My name is Jamie. A quick question, just out of curiosity. What are y'all doing coalesced to this side of the room? Party? You're just gonna respond with party with every question I ask you? This is gonna be really fun. Cool. I'm glad you guys have such a firm grasp of the English language. This is gonna be a very entertaining time together. Alrighty, so as I was sort of saying, this is the war room. We do in fact do all sorts of war in this room. Check out all this highly expensive electronic equipment around me. I don't even know what half of this stuff does. And the half that I do know, I'm under NDA. So sorry, I can't tell you. It's gonna be fun. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Jamie, the buses are here.
Oh, the buses are here. Okay, great. Well, what does that mean, dude? You left me alone all day. What am I supposed to do?
I got this, Jamie.
Oh, yeah, don't give me any instruction. That's really awesome. Thank you.
Just got a heads up from Hobbs.
Hobbs?
The FBI is about to raid your location.
Again?
Man, they always ruining our fun.
It's like the third time this week.
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw?
Shaw?
That cockroach they beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet.
Good.
And let's keep it that way.
I hope so.
Get those people on those buses.
That's all of you.
You need to start bugging out right now.
Like that low-end
And
theory
get that
song.
turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
Ooh, I'm on it.
I'm on it.
He's on it.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team.
Again, somehow that's you.
Spread the word.
So talk about it.
But keep it in our family.
You know, just watch yourselves.
And keep it quiet.
Okay, fine. I'll talk about this. Do you smell baby oil?
It's Hobbs.
Oh, it's Hobbs.
Hobbs, my man.
All right, cool, great. Hi, Hobbs.
Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah.
Why am I here?
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
You guys are going to a
Sounds like a
steakhouse.
plan.
Cool.
That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Wait, Nia said their family. Did they get
Okay,
downgraded?
Let me get everybody squared away.
All right, everybody get in the
We'll
square
talk
form,
offline.
okay?
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody
Everyone
know.
knows what a square
Shut off your
looks
cell
like,
phones.
right?
We don't want Shaw tracking your location.
Wait, why did you make this a conference call?
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
He was on speaker,
It's
dude.
about to go to a whole nother
Like an
level.
underwater level? Like a boss battle? What kind of level, Tej? Tej, you didn't tell me the level, Tej! Tej, you didn't tell me the level, Tej! All right.
How'd you guys like it?
Please remain fully seated at all
Ah. Yeah, I like it.
I like the water. 。
Yeah. 。
I like the water. 。
I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it. 。 I like it.
I like the water. Hey, thanks for watching Lima Bean TV. Check out one of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe.